Hi GWork members, in this video I will be showing you how to manually add a performance objective from the view only profile. So on the left hand side you're going to click on Team Performance and you then click on Create Performance Objective. Once you've done that, it will take you to a screen asking who the performance objective is for. So is it for an individual or is it for a team? So you as a human resources manager, as an example, are able to create performance objectives company-wide for either individuals or team members. All right, so let's say that this performance objective is for an individual. We then select Next. We have the option of either searching for the individual's name using the search text box. Alternatively, we can click on the individual's face. You'll see it gives me the option to select multiple individuals as well. So if you have a couple of individuals who have similar KPIs because they work in a similar department, as an example, you're able to add multiple individuals. Okay, we then select Next, and the system will ask us to select the manager responsible for reviewing the performance objective. So again, we're able to use the search box. Alternatively, we can click on the individual's face and then select Next. All right, now you will be asked to add in the performance objective details. You'll see that there are a couple of line items and there's quite a bit of detail that needs to be captured if you do go the route to manually add in your performance objectives. So here we will add in the name of the KPA or the OKR, as well as the weighting. We can then add in the description of the performance objective. So essentially this is what needs to be done and how. The focus area of the performance objective is why we are asking this individual to do this. And then how the performance objective will be measured. So breaking down into different fields and adding on additional line items where necessary. As long as these weightings for the performance objective measurements add up to the total one, you will be able to capture the performance objective. All right. Next, you will be able to customize the ratings that you'd like to allocate to the performance objective. So once you've set the PO, what you want to be able to do is to give the individual a rating out of 1 or 4 stars. If you like, you're able to add on an extra star. And you can also change the wording of each of these elements to fit your purpose within your organization. You're also able to link the performance objective to an external URL. Generally, this is a portfolio of evidence, usually on an Excel or a Word document, to prove how that individual has achieved their particular performance objective or KPI. And you can then choose from a drop-down which strategic objective this is linked to. Okay, and your strategic objectives are the objectives associated to why do we need this particular performance objective within this role and what impact it has on us from an organizational perspective. Okay, so once you've captured all of your information and you're happy with what this looks like, you can select Next. And this will allow you to then capture when the performance objective will be held. So from a drop-down, you can select weekly, monthly, or quarterly, biannually, etc. I'm going to say that this is monthly. The first date that we need to select is the date that the review needs to be submitted, if this is going to be a reoccurrence. So we can say by the 1st of every single month, the review needs to be submitted, and it will be discussed, let's say, on the 24th of every month before we release payroll. Perhaps this is a bonus-related performance objective. We then select the date that we want this to end. So maybe we're ending it in October. And once we've selected Next, we can then review the details. And lastly, we confirm and submit.